Gusto ko talaga matulungan yung mga communities na hindi nakakain at least thrice a day or kapag kumakain sila, kulang sila sa adequate nutrition kasi yung kinakain nila walang sustansya. I really want to make communities or our society a better place when it comes to preventive nutrition. So dun ko mas na-grasp yung concept ng nutrition. Since 2017, I'm already an environmental advocate. Doon ko naisip na why not put together gardening and environmentalism. Doon po nag-start yung The Sustainable Gardener. I created the Sustainable Gardener PH mainly for the purpose of I want to teach individuals how to grow their own food sustainably. It's not just about gardening or growing your own plants, but it's all about gardening in an eco and smart way. So, syempre, if ikaw yung nagtatanim ng sarili mong produce, alam mo kung ano yung nilalagay mo dun sa soil or dun sa mismong plant. So, of course, you wouldn't want to add chemical fertilizers or chemical-based solutions dun sa mismong plant mo. Meaning, you know that your produce is quality. You know that it's nutritious. Ang pinaka-pinag-aaralan talaga namin is yung BMV, Balance, Varied, and Moderate. So, ang pinakakailangan talaga natin is a balanced diet. Kailangan naman natin ng varied para makuha natin yung mga iba't ibang nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan. And lastly is moderation. We want to have preventive nutrition, which means sa kung ano yung kinakain natin, para nagiging medisina na rin natin yun. So, sabi nga ni Hippocrates, quote-unquote, "Let thy food be thy medicine." Dapat tinatrato natin ang ating mga pagkain na parang ating medisina. Ayaw nating mapunta sa puntong may sakit na tayo bago lang tayo kakain ng mga masusustansyang pagkain. Maraming sustansya tayong makukuha sa mga iba't ibang produkto ng organic food.